Hello, cat lovers. Today, we're introducing the Clawsable Indestructible Heated Cat House, the ultimate outdoor shelter for your feline friends. Built with a highly sturdy structure, this cat house is designed to withstand extreme weather and accidental impacts, ensuring your outdoor pets stay safe and secure. The unique exit-only escape door allows cats to flee from predators in emergencies while keeping cold air out. Crafted with 5 layers of high-quality insulation, this shelter keeps your cats warm and cozy even when temperatures dip below freezing. The windproof awning and fully waterproof design ensure that rain and cold air stay outside, while the elevated structure keeps your pets dry and comfortable. With a super easy, no-tool assembly process that takes just 1 minute, you can set up this lightweight and portable house anywhere, anytime. Plus, the high-standard heating core, equipped with all-tested heating wire, provides safe and reliable warmth, making it the perfect haven for your outdoor furry friends. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.